Okay guys, so today's lesson we will discuss about normal sentences. First of all, we need to memorize some tips like this, those, that, which is called das in German, and ja means yes, nein means no. First of all, we will discuss about masculine examples. This is the computer. So das is their computer. Like this means das, is means ist, the computer. The computer means masculine, so their computer. So computer has a their article, and here object is computer, so C capital. Always remember in German, like in object we use first letter capital, and verb we always use small in verb form. So das is their computer. Why here das is their computer? There because here we use the computer, so their computer. Is this the computer? Is das their computer? So this is the question mark. Like so we use verb first and then after rest of the sentence. So is das their computer? Yes, this is the computer. It means yeah, das is their computer. No, this is not the computer. Nein, das ist nicht their computer. So here we see in computer have a their article. So we use their article, and computer is a object. So C always in capital letter, and this we use das. Let's see some different example like this is a computer. First of we use the computer, and now we use a computer. Like this is a computer. It means this means das, is means ist, a means ein, and computer means computer. So here we use ein and C capital. Is this a computer? Is das ein Computer? Yes, this is a computer. Ja, das ist ein Computer. No, this is not a computer. Nein, das ist kein Computer. So here we see, like when we use the computer, then there use article, and when we use a computer, then ein or kein use. Like this is my computer. Das ist mein Computer. Is this your computer? Is das dein Computer? Yes, this is my computer. Ja, das ist mein Computer. No, this is not my computer. Nein, das ist nicht mein Computer. So this for the nominal article case examples, because here we use their as a article, or uh, and first for example for the bestimmt like we use their, and the second for the unbestimmt like we use a, and third for which is possessive article like mine, thine, und so weiter. Now also example of masculine like I buy the computer. Ich kaufe den Computer. So here computer has a their article, and we use kaufe. It means accusative form. So there which is tend to then. So then computer. Buy you the computer? Kaufen Sie den Computer? Here K is capital in verb because which is starting of the sentence. But when we use the verb not as a starting of the sentence, then we always need to use a small letter. Yes, I buy the computer. Ja, ich kaufe den Computer. No, I buy not the computer. Nein, ich kaufe nicht den Computer. I buy a computer. Ich kaufe einen Computer. Buy you a computer? Kaufen Sie einen Computer? Yes, I buy a computer. Ja, ich kaufe einen Computer. No, I buy not a computer. Nein, ich kaufe keinen Computer. I buy my computer. Ich kaufe meinen Computer. Buy you your computer? Kaufen Sie deinen Computer? Yes, I buy your computer. Ja, ich kaufe deinen Computer. No, I buy not your computer. Nein, ich kaufe nicht deinen Computer. So this for the using the accusative article, like in this all the example we use verb to buy, like kaufen, so which is accusative case. And the first for the bestimmt article, like we use the, so we use then computer, because computer has a their article and which is converted into the then. Then for second for the unbestimmt article, like a computer, so we use en in einen, like einen computer, like computer has a their article, and we use ein, but here in accusative form, so we use en at the end. It means einen Computer. And this four are for the possessive article, like meinen, deinen, und so weiter. So computer has a their article. It means in masculine form. So in masculine form, when we use accusative article, then en at the end. So thine will be convert into the deinen. So deinen computer. Let's see example of the feminine case. This is the bag. Das ist die Tasche. Like Tasche means bag, and bag has a the article, so the Tasche, and T is capital because of object. So das ist die Tasche. Is this the bag? Is das die Tasche? Yes, this is the bag. Yeah, das ist die Tasche. No, this is not the bag. Nein, das ist nicht die Tasche. This is a bag. Das ist eine Tasche. Is this a bag? Ist das eine Tasche? Yes, this is a bag. Ja, das ist eine Tasche. No, this is not a bag. Nein, das ist keine Tasche. This is my bag. Das ist meine Tasche. Is this your bag? Ist das deine Tasche? Yes, this is my bag. Ja, das ist meine Tasche. No, this is not my bag. Nein, das ist nicht meine Tasche. So this example for the nominal article, and here like first for the bestimmt, like we use the, and second for is unbestimmt, like we use a, and last for the possessive, like we use meinen, deine, and so on. Uh, I carry the bag. Ich trage die Tasche. Carry you the bag? Tragen Sie die Tasche? Yes, I carry the bag. Ja, ich trage die Tasche. No, I carry not the bag. Nein, ich trage nicht die Tasche. So in this for example, we use verb. It means which is accusative case. So in feminine, we right now discuss about the accusative case. So like tragen, we use as a verb. I carry a bag. Ich trage eine Tasche. Carry you a bag? Tragen Sie eine Tasche? Yes, I carry a bag. Ja, ich trage eine Tasche. No, I carry not a bag. Nein, ich trage keine Tasche. I carry my bag. Ich trage meine Tasche. Carry you your bag? Tragen Sie deine Tasche? Yes, I carry your bag. Ja, ich trage deine Tasche. No, I carry not your bag. Nein, ich trage nicht deine Tasche. So like this all example for the accusative article, because we use verb carry means tragen, like tragen, it means to carry. So first for the bestimmt article, like we use the in these examples, and second for the unbestimmt article like we use a in example, and last for the possessive because we use mine, ne, deine, and so on. Now we talk about the examples of Neutrum. Is this the car? Das ist das Auto. Like das Auto. It means Neutrum form. Auto has das article. Is this the car? Is das Auto? Yes, this is the car. Yeah, that is das Auto. No, this is not the car. Nein, das ist nicht das Auto. This is a car. Das ist ein Auto. This a car? Is das ein Auto? Yes, this is a car. Yeah, das ist ein Auto. Like first for we use the, and now second for we use a. Like no, this is not a car. Nein, das ist kein Auto. And now we talk about the possessive case. This is my car. Das ist mein Auto. Because auto has a das article, so we use mine, not meine. We use mine. Is this your car? Ist das dein Auto? Yes, this is my car. Ja, das ist mein Auto. No, this is not my car. Nein, das ist nicht mein Auto. So this is for the nominal case. Like here we not use any verb like kaufen or fahren or not any verb. It means nominal case. And first for the base team because we use the like das, and second for the unbase team like we use ein Auto, and last for the possessive like we use mine, thine, and so on. And next we will discuss about the accusative case. Like in nominative case, here we not use any verb, but in accusative case we will use verb. So for example, I drive the car. So drive means fahren. Fahren is equal to drive. So I drive the car. Ich fahre das Auto. Ich fahre. Fahren is verb and ich then we use fahre. Auto comes to in das. So das and auto. Auto has a capital because auto is object. Drive you the car? Fahren Sie das Auto? Yes, I drive the car. Ja, ich fahre das Auto. No, I drive not the car. Nein, ich fahre nicht das Auto. I drive a car. Ich fahre ein Auto. Drive you a car. Fahren Sie ein Auto? Yes, I drive a car. Ja, ich fahre ein Auto. No, I drive not a car. Nein, ich fahre kein Auto. I drive my car. Ich fahre mein Auto. Drive you your car? Fahren Sie dein Auto? Yes, I drive your car. Ja, ich fahre dein Auto. No, I drive not your car. Nein, ich fahre nicht dein Auto. So all this example is for the accusative case because we here use the verb like drive. It means fahren. And first for example for the bestimmt article like we use das, and then second for the unbestimmt article because we use ein oder kein, and last for the possessive article like we use mine, thine, and so on. Important information in the video description, there is a link to study resource material for a deep understanding and the material for the practice. Feel free to get in touch with us if you have any questions, or if the A1 exam is coming up and you need a support. You can schedule a free exam practice session with our team. So you need to contact on info.tglobaleducation@gmail.com. Thanks for the watching video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.